Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we having maths class. In your previous class I explained before numbers amma. Let's see between and after numbers today class. Okay amma. First I will explain in between numbers. Okay children, we learn from 1 to 1000 numbers children. I said in your previous class you must and should learn 1 to 1000 numbers. You read that numbers or you learn that numbers, you can easily write this before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. Okay ma, let's see between numbers. Now tell me children, 982, 984. What is the between these both numbers amma? Here 2 is there. Yes, 98, both 98. Okay, in tens, in ones 2, here in ones 4 is there. In ones 2, in ones 4. Tell me children, 2 after what comes? You know, I think you can, 1 to 10 numbers perfectly. Yes, I think 2 after what comes? You know. What comes children? Tell me, 2 after what comes? 1, 2, 3. 2 after what comes? 3 is coming 3. So, in ones you should write 3. Next here both 90 and 98. You should write 98. What is your number? You get which number amma? 983. What is the 98? 982, 984. Between number is what? 983. Let's see amma. Next one 652 and 654. We are checking 4 before number or you are checking 2 after numbers. Okay. Now tell me children, 4 before what comes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 is there. 4 before what comes? 3. Yes. You should write first 3 and 65 is the common. What number you get? Which number you get amma? 653. 652 and 654. Between number is what? 653. Let's see amma. Here 520, 522. Okay. Tell me children, 2 before what comes? 1. 2 before what comes? 1. So 1, 52, 52 is the common. You should write 52. What is your number? Which number you got? 521. So 520, 522 between number is 521. You check it like that. Before numbers or after numbers. You can easily, you get in between numbers. You get between numbers easy. 486. 6 after 7. Okay. 48 is the common. You should write 48. You get which number? 487. Next one number 365 and 367. 365 and 367. 5 after what comes? 6. 7 before what comes? 6. You should write 6 and 36 is the common. What your number you get? 365. What is your number amma? 300 sorry. What your number? 366. That is the between number. 366 is the between number. One more is there. 825. 827. Tell me children, 5 after what comes or 7 before what comes? 6. 82. Okay children, please copy in your classwork. Next one, after numbers. I will explain next after numbers amma. Please copy in your classwork amma. Please copy in your classwork children. You can, I think you can understand how to write in a between numbers or how to write in your between numbers. Okay, we are checking before numbers and after numbers in ones place. Ones place lo which number are there? That number having which one are having before number, which one are having after number. You check it like that. You get easily between number. Okay, ma? Shall I repeat? Next one amma, after numbers. Tell me children, after numbers. Now 3 after what comes Amma? 3 after 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 after what comes? 4. You should write 4. 98 is the common. What your name? 983 after 984. Next 725. 5 after what comes? Say 72 is the common. Which number you got? 725 after 726. Next one Amma. 2 after 3. 63 is the common. You should write 63. 632 after what comes? 633. Next one Amma. Here 5 after 6 coming. Now 45 is the common. We are reading like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like you check it as 5 after what comes. Okay. Next 322. 2 after what comes? 3. 323. Okay children. Next 6 after what comes? 7. 25 is the common. What is the 256 after coming? 257. Okay children, copy in your classwork. Please copy children. Next bit, write the numbers. Do it first children. Shall I rough it? Numbers. Okay children, first one. $460. $236. $733. Please copy in your classwork children. Okay children, let's write 460. First, this is a 100 place value sum. First one in 100, which number is it? 4. First you should write 4. Then in tens and ones, which number is that? 60. You should write 60. You get which number? 460. Next one number 236. First, these are 100 place values. First, you should write first 100 place value. In 100 place value, which number is that? 2. You should write first 2 amma. Next in tens 36. In tens and ones 36. Should write 36. Okay children, got it? Next one amma 643. 643 like that. First we are checking which that given number as 100 place value or 1000 place value. So it is 1000. It's 1000. You should write 1000 number first. 733. 733. Next Amma 525. 525. Next one Amma 873. 873. Please copy this, childrens. I give homework. Please copy in your classwork, childrens. Next Amma I give homework. What is your homework? Write between and after numbers. Between and after numbers. Okay, children. 720 and 722. 940 and 942. Okay, children. And third one 785, 928. So these four are your homework, between numbers and after numbers. Okay, children. Write down. Okay, this is a homework and copy that. Write the numbers. Write between and after numbers. That is a homework, children. Please copy it. Okay, children, thank you.